Oof, that's pretty awesome. So it's hot, and I'm not a flipper, so I don't mind sharing all the things that are wrong with these things. But this is interesting. Dipstick was unusually full. This thing sat for 15-20 years. This is the third time I did it. I didn't think about getting the camera. Don't think I dumped water in this motor. Pretty quick it'll come brown. Oil floats on water. So if anybody wants to take me to task for the ruining of the environment, this is water. A lot of it. Oh, now it's on my shoulder. This sucks. Laying in a stream of water. Alright, I'm not wanting to lay here anymore, so I'm going to let it fly. This sucks. Halfway down my back. Oops, is that black? No. Just a shadow. That's a lot of water. Yeah, I'm laying in a puddle. It's just like riding a motorcycle in the rain. It's on, there it goes down my wrist. It's on my armpit. That is, there we go. There's oil. Let that settle a little bit. Alright, now if you want to take me to task over ruining the environment, go right ahead. But I'll light a little fire there and burn that off later. I am laying in a lake of water, and this sucks. Where did I do it at? 7/8 inch wrench. My favorite wrench. It's metric. All the fun. Knucklehead. There. That'll be delightful. It's not out of there. That's just rainwater and shit. So next will be verifying. Once we verify spark, we will get some fuel. Once we have some fuel, yeah. Anyway,